Hello everyone, welcome back to our Aoki Lifestyle. In this Singapore series, we have explored vibrant streets, cultural neighborhoods, beaches, gardens, and iconic skyline views. But today's experience is something completely different. I'm exploring a place where most journeys usually end or begin, but in Singapore, it becomes an attraction on its own. So, welcome to Changi Airport, often called the most beautiful airport in the world. This is not just an airport, it's an destination at all. I begin the episode by arriving at Changi Airport and taking in the calm, clean and welcoming atmosphere. Even before exploring the attraction, the airport already feels special because everything is designed to be spacious, relaxing and easy to enjoy. This is the perfect place to slow down after a long trip and reflect on everything we saw in Singapore. Our first stop is Jewel Changi Airport, where the showpiece attraction is the HSBC Rain Vortex. The enormous indoor waterfall is the heart of Jewel and it is described by Changi Airport as the world's tallest indoor waterfall. It creates a stunning visual moment, especially when the light and sound show begins, making this is one of the most memorable spots in the whole airport. Here you can film wide shots from below, slow motion clips of the falling water, and cinematic panning shots that show how the waterfall sits inside the glass domes. It is one of those places where nature and architecture come together beautifully. Next, I walk into Forest Valley, the lush indoor garden space inside Jewel. The official Jewel site described it as a place to explore eternal spring within Jewel, and the feeling is exactly what makes it so special. The greenery, walking paths and layered design make it feel like an indoor forest in the middle of an airport, and this is a great place to slow down and enjoy the atmosphere. It gives the airport a peaceful and refreshing character, and it works very well as a transition scene in your vlog. This is called the Shiseido Forest Valley. From Forest Valley, I headed up to Canopy Park at the topmost level of Jewel. Changi's official description says Canopy Park is a recreational playground with mazes, bouncing nets, creative garden trails, giant slides and gentle mist balls. It is designed as a fun and relaxing space for visitors of all ages. If you want to explain it simply in the video, you can say that Canopy Park is where Jewel becomes more playful. It is not just a viewing place, it is a space where visitors can walk, explore and enjoy the creative design of the airport environment. Apart from that, there is a cactus garden, butterfly garden and sunflower garden as well in this place. Changi Airport completely changes the idea of what an airport should be. Instead of just a place to pass through, it becomes a space where you can explore, relax, and experience something unique. From waterfalls and indoor forests to rooftop gardens and living ecosystems, every corner offers something different. There are indoor movie theaters as well. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel content. We still have more experiences to explore in Singapore, so stay tuned.